Want to create professional videos that impress your audience? I know, while making professional videos takes some practice and know-how, there are some techniques you can implement for your next video to make it look more professional. So if you're interested in how you can make your videos looking more outstanding, then keep on watching. The first tip I have for you today is you don't need an expensive new camera. Don't stress too much about the camera you're going to use, especially if you're just starting off. For most cases, your phone is just fine. Just make sure that your phone records 1080p and that you always use the back or the primary camera of your phone. Another important point to consider here is frames per second. For sit and talk videos like mine, I recommend 30 to 60 frames per second, so you have enough frames to work with in post-production when you edit your videos. For more cinematic style of videos, the industry standard is 24 frames per second. But if you record sit and talk videos like this one in 24 frames per second, then when you edit the video, the final product may look a little bit choppy. So that's why frames per second is a very important fact to consider as well. Next tip I have for you: always use an external audio. Do you know that your audio quality is more important than your video quality? The audio quality can make or break your video. While most people don't mind watching videos which are not shot in 4K, if the audio of your video is not clear enough, not understandable for people are very likely to exit your video within a few seconds. Therefore, a good microphone is the first piece of equipment you should invest in. Always make sure to test your audio settings in the beginning. Make sure that all settings are set in the proper way and that your audio levels do not exceed 0 decibels. Next, let's discuss the lighting of your videos. Lighting makes such a huge difference in the overall quality of the video, so make sure you use enough of it. The lighting determines the atmosphere and the mood of your videos, so make sure you prioritize the setup of your lighting in your videos. The good news is natural light is a great source of light for your videos. If you use natural light, make sure you record and film your videos in the morning or in the afternoon, so the light is softer. You can also use stand and ring lights with soft boxes to create natural light. Next, avoid shaky footage. Shaky footage can make any video look unprofessional. For sit and talk videos like mine, make sure that your camera is still and it's on a surface where the camera cannot move. That's why using a tripod or any steady surface can be a very good solution. Also, make sure that you position the camera in a way that you don't have to move it while you record the video. So once your camera is set up, try not to move it. Bonus tip: if you want to create the zoom in and out effect throughout your videos, just make sure that you position your camera far enough so you have a distance to create these zoom in and out effects. This effect can help you to highlight the key messages you want to convey in your videos. The fifth point I want to mention today is keep your background simple. Be very mindful about the background you use for filming your videos. Nothing looks less professional than a messy background behind you. So if you want to create professional looking videos, make sure that you use solid backgrounds behind, such as the one I have right behind me. This will not only make your videos look more professional, but it will also give you an opportunity to show text, animations, B-rolls, images which will not blend with the background. A wall, a wallpaper, or paper like this one can all be a very good options. Quick tip: be mindful if there is a window behind you, because the natural light changes all the time and this will affect the exposure and the white balance of your videos. So these were my tips on how to make your videos look more professional. I really hope that you found the information helpful, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and you like the video. Also, let me know in the comments below whether you would like to receive more tips on this topic, because for sure I can give you some additional thoughts on how you can make your videos look more professional. Next week we are going to talk about how to create branded videos, so I hope I see you there. Until then, I hope you have a great one. Bye! Hi everyone, I'm so happy to see you back on my channel.
This is a video switch without light.
Let's compare.